Welcome to the History of Successful Man. In this episode, we dive into the awe-inspiring life and unparalleled success of Mukesh Ambani, who rose to become India's richest person. Join us as we explore the extraordinary journey of this visionary entrepreneur. Welcome to Global Success Stories. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani, born on April 19, 1957 in Aden, Yemen, is the epitome of a self-made billionaire. From a young age, Mukesh showcased an entrepreneurial spirit, inspired by his father's extraordinary achievements. Dhirubhai Ambani, a legendary Indian businessman, founded Reliance Industries Limited in 1966, laying the foundation for Mukesh's path to success. His father's relentless determination became the driving force behind Mukesh's ambitions. Mukesh Ambani's pursuit of knowledge led him to pursue a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from the University of Bombay. He furthered his education by earning an MBA from Stanford University, USA. Equipped with valuable skills and insights, Mukesh returned to India to join the family business. Joining Reliance Industries in 1981, Mukesh Ambani played a pivotal role in the company's expansion and diversification. With his strategic vision and unwavering commitment, he led Reliance Industries to new heights. One of Mukesh Ambani's most significant achievements was the launch of Reliance Jio Infocom Limited in 2016. Jio disrupted the Indian telecommunications industry, providing affordable data plans and revolutionizing internet accessibility for millions. Jio's disruptive entry into the market resulted in a significant increase in internet penetration, transforming the lives of millions of Indians. Mukesh Ambani's vision of a digital India bridged the gap and empowered individuals, businesses, and the economy as a whole. Alongside his business success, Mukesh Ambani has been actively involved in philanthropy. Through the Reliance Foundation, he has initiated various projects focused on education, healthcare, and rural development, positively impacting the lives of many. Mukesh Ambani's philanthropic endeavors reflect his deep commitment to giving back to society. His contributions have made a lasting difference, transforming communities and improving the quality of life for countless individuals. As we conclude this video, we are reminded of Mukesh Ambani's words: "The success of the business eventually depends on people and how deeply they are involved in the process." Mukesh Ambani's journey from a young dreamer to India's richest person is a testament to the power of passion, perseverance, and strategic thinking. As we conclude this video on Mukesh Ambani's remarkable journey, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, The History of Successful Man, for more inspiring stories of extraordinary individuals who have achieved great success.